Hi guys, I have this Ozito BSR-1000 model belt sander which is running. The motor is working, but see the belt is not spinning here. So we're going to fix that today. To fix that issue, we have to change its drive belt. So drive belt is broken, that is connecting this part that's spinning the motor from here. So you have to open this screw and that screw that will give you the access to the drive belt over there. So let's open these two screws. Yep. So once you remove this screw, you have to open this flipper. It has some kind of notch, but it easily comes off. If you're opening it first time, just be careful not to break something. And here you can see this belt, drive belt is broken, so we need to replace it. That's the model 102XL for this particular type of belt sander. I did check with the Bunnings and they said Ozito no longer stock this part, so I have to order it from third party supplier, and I ordered the new one, which is the 102XL. So let's fit this on the belt sander and see if it works. To fix this belt back to the belt sander, you have to put first, because this has some kind of over the cap kind of thing, so you have to put it first time on this side and then slightly put half on there and just rotate it and it will fit this. Now you can see that if we running this belt sander, it starts to, sorry it's noisy, but when you press this button it start this belt spinning up actually, so it's now working and it's all good. Now you have to fix this cap back and you screw it and it will be fine. Thank you very much.